Oh man. There is, oh fuck. I missed the goddamn chair. There's no day quite like mail delivery day. Ladies and gentlemen, as you can tell by the title of this video, we're deleting the rig. Fully deleting it, getting rid of everything. I live in Canada. If you're new here, my name is Ty. I live in beautiful province of British Columbia up here in the northern white land above you Americans. And we don't have no emissions laws. So we're gonna be deleting the Q7 today, our little 3-liter friend. And inside this box, we have some of the nicest delete components ever created on the face of the earth, brought to you by my friends over at Darkside. Shout out Danny for helping me out once again with getting parts. They've helped me out. This will be the second build now. They did my 2-liter Golf TDI race car for those of you that have been around the channel for a long time and those of you that will stumble across those videos at some point. And so they've sent me some more goodies. Let's open this package up and see what we got today. Because I think, can't even remember how much money I spent on all this, but I think the entire kit that is in this box with shipping to Canada was almost 3,000 maple syrup dollars. Very expensive. Spent big money. We're spending big money on this rig. So let's open this bad boy up, see what we got inside. Hopefully nothing's broken. However, I will say, I do dislike UPS and there are some other companies that I don't like getting things shipped from. This came DHL. This package left the UK on Monday morning, about 6 o'clock in the morning. It said it was leaving. It's now Thursday at 2 p.m. and this has been in my garage for a couple hours now. So this came from London in like 3 days. It was supposed to be here yesterday and it cleared customs at 6:30 in the morning on Wednesday. So I don't know what happened with the DHL just getting it to me after it cleared customs, but I digress. Still, almost like basically 3 days to get this here. Shipping something this large from the UK wasn't exactly cheap. However, it's here and I don't care anymore. So I just have to figure out what way this is gonna open. Is this the top? Yeah. Oh no, okay, I see how this opens. Okay, we gotta do like this. Also, I realize I'm wearing literally the most amazing outfit ever to do this, and the world's best unboxing tool that you've ever seen in your entire life. We're also gonna rate Darkside's ability to box a package, because I know the last time I got stuff from them, they did a really good job at packaging it, so I couldn't even complain, because they're cool. They actually use recyclable products too, but I'm sure with something this big, there's probably gonna be styrofoam in it at least. Yeah, see, they use cardboard. And they use like really cool cardboard. It's all like cut up and everything. Hell yeah, recyclable. Good job, guys. Okay, we're gonna just, I already know what that's gonna be. So maybe I'll open this first because they did send me some swag, because I gave them an entire paycheck for parts. Nice. Darkside Overland Crew, official. Actually, I'm gonna throw this on right now because it's kind of cold in my garage. Hopefully you got the size right, Danny. I think I told him how tall I was because I wasn't sure on their sizing, but we'll see after I wash it. So you guys probably don't give a shit about their hoodies. So pull these pipes out. I'll get them unwrapped as I pull them all out. Or after I pull them all out, I mean. Oh, they did send me one with the muffler on it. I didn't want one with the muffler on it, but Danny kept saying it was pretty loud. So we'll see. Here we go. Look at the size of that bad boy. Yeah, damn. This thing's huge. The down pipe for the DPF. Hell yeah. Aha. This, I believe, is a very important piece. Unless this is just all like gaskets and stuff, but let's open the little side box here because I hope everything else that I need is in there. I don't have any hardware as of yet. Let's see. So I'm assuming this is an adapter for one of the pipes. There we go. Some really nice hose clamps that some companies in Canada could probably learn from instead of using some other really crappy ones. Ah, okay. This. Now, no discredit to Darkside, because I think they're one of the only companies that actually makes this kit right now, so they can charge whatever they want. But this little EGR cooler delete kit thing that I have right here costs $400 Canadian. And it's 2 silicone pipes and this guy, and these 2 fellas, and that's it. And then like obviously some little miscellaneous bolts, but yeah, super expensive for what it is. But if it helps get rid of the issue that I currently have with what I think is my EGR, like the gas itself is leaking out of the EGR pipe and also a coolant leak, then I will be happy. So, and these are all just a bunch of like O2 bungs and other miscellaneous bolts that I think go with the kit. Let me show you guys what I've got as far as the actual exhaust delete kit goes. Hell yeah. Look at that. Look at that. Some nice ass parts. I cannot lie. Let's go over everything that we have. Number 1, this bad boy right here. This is the primary cat delete pipe for the Q7. This John up here goes and attaches to the turbo and then goes down to underneath the car. And then we have our fancy ass DPF delete, which is this guy right here. So this gets rid of our diesel particulate filter, and as you can see right here, not for road use. It's Canada, they don't care. And then we have our secondary cat delete, which is the big boy right here. I originally did order one without the resonator, but Danny was telling me that without this, it's gonna be pretty loud even with the stock muffler. So I guess he ended up sending me one with the resonator, even though I paid for one without. This was a little bit more expensive. So obviously Danny, shout out you. You're an absolute lad. But I'm gonna try to like finagle it together so you guys can kind of see it as one complete kit really quickly. And then we'll come back. So just give me 2 seconds. Okay, so while digging through the box again to get rid of all of the recycling and whatnot, we also have all these. So these are all of the necessary exhaust gaskets. They're metal, not paper or plastic or any Chinese crap. And then they also sent me some Darkside overlanding stickers. So got these guys, hell yeah. Thank you, gentlemen. And some air fresheners. Sweet.